Follow these steps to send snaps with no media upload on Snapchat. Launch Snapchat. So the very first thing you want to do is record a video for a few seconds. So click on this icon. Once you have recorded the video, now what you have to do is click on this plus option. Now click on this option of import media. With that, your gallery will open up. Now select the video that you want to send as a snap. So I'm gonna select this one. Now what you have to do is click on the video that you have taken before. Click on this delete icon. Delete clip, click on delete. Now only the video from the camera roll is being selected. From here you can make changes to it and click on preview. You can add filters, stickers, music, and once you do that, click on send to. Select your friends and then send it. Now you can navigate to the chat section and check. So it has been sent as snap. So this is how you can send snaps with no media upload on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.